Hello and welcome. I'm going to be taking you through a brief yoga series that you can do for your neck and your shoulders. This can be done at any time during the day and no props are necessary. So as and when you're ready, beginning to come through to your easy seated position, legs may be out, staggered or cross-legged. And we're just going to begin to circle at this waist just to begin to arrive. Beginning to take the shoulders casually over the hips, lengthening the neck. And we'll begin to tuck the chin down towards the chest. Shoulders staying over the hips. I'm going to take a bit of a smiley face with the chin. So beginning to take the chin over towards the right shoulder. And then back through center. Over towards the left. Beginning to take the chin back down towards the heart. We'll casually begin to lift the gaze, lifting the chin, taking the arms up overhead. We'll take a YMCA to begin with, palms facing each other. And then we'll take the palms towards each other and down towards the heart. We're going to take that 2 more times. So in your own time, inhaling, stretching the fingers away. Down into the heart. 3rd time, taking the arms up. And down. We're going to begin to release the hands down into our lap. And you're going to take your left forearm towards the lower back. I'll just change my profile just for a moment. So our left forearm is just along the lower back, and then we'll stack the right forearm on top. We might have palms, wrists, maybe touching the elbows. This opens up the shoulders, opening up the chest. And what we're going to begin to do is take your left ear towards the left shoulder. Gaze can be soft. Beginning to take the chin back through center, and then inviting that right ear towards the right shoulder. Coming back through center, gently beginning to release the hands, taking them up overhead, down into the heart space, pressing the finger pads in towards each other. And we'll begin to interlace the hands, and then we'll begin to send the palms forward. Arms can begin to straighten or keeping a softness. We're going to take a gentle twist, so taking the palms over towards the left. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. Coming back through center, and then we'll take the palms over towards the right. Back through center. Beginning to take the knuckles in towards the heart, releasing the bind, taking the arms up overhead, and we'll take a gentle cactus. Crossing the wrists, cactusing the arms. Hands waiting to go up overhead. And then casually down into heart. We're going to take this all on the other side, so taking your right forearm towards the lower back, left arm beginning to stack. And we can stay right here, or otherwise we're going to begin to take the chin over that right shoulder. Just ensure you're not leaning forward as we take the chin. Coming back through center, and then taking the chin over towards that left shoulder. Coming back through your center, beginning to release the hands, taking the arms up overhead. Interlacing the hands, taking the hands down in towards the heart. We're going to begin to take the palms forward. Now we can stay right here, or we can begin to take the palms upward towards the sky. And for some, it might be at a diagonal. Some of us might get the palms right overhead. And palms coming forward. Knuckles beginning to come in towards the heart, releasing, taking the arms up overhead. When the fingers get to your highest point, we're going to begin to cactus, opening up. Hands going up. And then we'll begin to release that right hand, taking a gentle side stretch. We're going to take a gentle twist. So we're beginning to release that left hand down, tracing a rainbow in front of you so you begin to take that twist. If you have a bit more leverage, maybe the back of the hand. We'll begin to bring that left hand in line with our hip. Right arm beginning to go up, taking your side stretch. Again, we'll begin to release the right fingertips, tracing a rainbow in front in your gentle forward fold as we begin to build that twist. Left hand coming along that right shin near thigh. And I'll begin to gently release the twins, the hands coming in front of the body. What we're going to begin to do is lengthen the spine. So imagine the heart shining forward, space between the collarbones and the chin. So rolling the shoulder blades back. We can stay upright. If you want to take it a bit further, you might begin to walk the hands, maybe beginning to come onto the forearms, beginning to release the head. As you come onto the forearms, we're pressing along the length of the forearm. Sliding, walking the hands back towards the left. We're going to begin to take the hands behind us. I'll just change my profile just for a moment. That invitation of beginning to take an interlacing of the hands, maybe beginning to open up the chest. Gaze may go upward. You might even add just a gentle sway if that's appropriate for your body. And we can stay right here, otherwise hinging, taking a fold. So beginning to hinge at the waist. Mind going towards the back of the room, maybe up towards the sky. Lifting the torso up. And gently beginning to take the arms back up overhead, we'll take a final cactus. Crossing the wrists, cactus in the arms. Hands will begin to go up and then down into the heart space. Gently beginning to bow the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being in your practice. And thank you for taking this brief yoga series to help open up the shoulders and the neck. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon.